Good morning. Scientists find why red wine causes headaches. If you enjoy drinking red wine, you've likely experienced the headache that can come with it. It's often the result of drinking one glass too many. But some people experience these headaches from just one small glass as quickly as 30 minutes after drinking it. Really? Why does this happen? Well, researchers from the University of California, Davis, and the University of California, San Francisco have found a compound that may be responsible. In their study published in Scientific Reports, the researchers did tests on different compounds found in red wine. Red wine contains high levels of quercetin compound found in many fruits and vegetables, including grapes, dark berries, and onions. Quercetin usually has many health benefits. It's an antioxidant and is believed to help with things like inflammation and blood pressure. However, when mixed with alcohol, the researchers found that it can block the alcohol metabolizing enzyme ALDH2 in the body. Alcohol is first broken down into a toxic compound called acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde ですね。はい。ALDH2 then breaks that down into something called acetate, which is then broken down into water and carbon dioxide. If the action of ALDH2 is blocked, acetaldehyde builds up, which has been found to cause headaches, nausea, flushed cheeks, and sweating. The researchers were able to show that quercetin blocks ALDH2 in the lab and now hope to test these results with a group of human volunteers. The research also suggests that not all red wine may have the same effect. Grapes make more quercetin when exposed to sunshine, so wines from summer places are more likely to give the drinker a headache. Study co-author Maurice Levine also said that the people who are more susceptible to headaches in general are more likely to be affected by red wine. So if you're one of those people, maybe reach for a glass of white wine instead. Yes, discussion. What are your thoughts on the study's findings? Do you drink wine? If so, do you prefer red or white? Have you ever gotten a headache from drinking wine? Yes and no. Depends on the bottle, I think. So this may be a true story. Do you know anyone who is susceptible to headaches? Are there any foods or drinks that you avoided due to adverse reactions? Further discussion. What's the worst hangover you've ever had? Is wine a popular beverage of choice in your country? Yes, very popular. Are there any alcoholic drinks that you really dislike? Do you know how many people who never drink alcohol? Is binge drinking common in your country? なんだこの is binge drinking. I should look it up.